I've been using the Kikoff mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose Kikoff was its focus on helping users build credit safely and responsibly. It offers a revolving line of credit with no interest and a flat monthly fee, making it accessible for individuals with limited or no credit history. Additionally, Kikoff reports payments to major credit bureaus, which can positively impact your credit score over time. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the Kikoff line of credit can only be used to purchase items from Kikoff's online store, primarily consisting of ebooks priced between $10 and $20. Furthermore, while the app has received positive reviews on platforms like the Google Play Store, some users have reported concerns about unauthorized accounts and late payment reporting. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's user experience. The Kikoff mobile app is available for both Android and iOS devices, and many users have praised its ease of use and intuitive interface. However, as with any financial service, it's essential to monitor your account activity regularly to ensure accuracy. Overall, my experience with the Kikoff mobile app has been positive, especially considering its credit-building features and user-friendly design. However, if you're seeking a broader range of products or are concerned about the limited purchasing options, you might want to explore other credit-building solutions. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.